was a great break. Ready to keep going? Go.
Yes, let's see what's next for us.
Come on, let's head inside.
This cafe feels calm today.
Oh, the colors make it even nicer.
Perfect place to start talking.
The coffee smells great.
Oh, I might order a latte.
I'll get a cappuccino.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I worked late. You need more rest, for sure. The weather feels amazing today.
Yeah, wow.
Perfect for a short walk.
Let's enjoy the fresh air. Look at that mural.
Wow. The colors are beautiful. Wow.
We should take a picture.
Do you want to grab a snack?
Maybe later.
Let's walk a bit more.
It's a bit crowded today.
At least we found seats. The view from here is nice. Where are we getting off?
2 more stops.
Good, we're almost there.
This bus ride is relaxing.
Yeah, the seats are comfy. I could fall asleep. The park looks beautiful today.
Oh, the trees look so bright.
Ooh. Nature always feels refreshing.
Let's sit here for a moment.
Good idea. The breeze feels nice. That fountain looks amazing.
I love the water sound.
It's calming to watch.
It's so quiet here.
Perfect for studying. Let's find a table.
This book looks interesting.
No? Oh, what up? What's it about?
Maybe we can read together. I found the topic I needed.
Oh! Great, let's start. I'll take notes.
This mall is huge.
Oh!
So many shops to explore.
Wait. Let's start on the first floor.
These jackets look cool.
Oh!
I like the blue one.
Try it on. I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Let's pick something to eat. What movie should we watch?
Something exciting.
I'll check the show times.
These seats are comfortable.
Perfect view of the screen.
I'm ready for the movie.
Maybe pasta or pizza.
I might try the steak. I'll order a salad.
Lemonade for me.
Soda sounds good. This place feels nice.
The view is incredible.
Woo!
Look at those colors.
Perfect place to relax.
The air feels fresh up here.
Much better than downstairs.
I could stay here for hours.
Want to take a photo?
Yes, the lighting is perfect. Let's do it. Ready for a workout?
Always.
Let's start with stretching.
These weights feel heavy.
Just take it slow. You're doing great. Let's cool down.
Good idea. That was a solid workout.
The waves sound amazing.
The water looks so clear.
Ooh.
Let's walk along the shore. The breeze feels perfect. Wow.
This place is refreshing.
Let's sit here for a moment.
Want to take a photo?
Yes, the sky looks beautiful.
I'll set the camera.
This place looks fun.
Lots of bright colors.
Let's check the swings.
These swings are comfortable.
Feels nostalgic.
Let's swing a little. Want to try the slide? Why not?
Want to try? No.
Why not?
This will be fun.
Which platform is ours?
Platform 3.
Then let's head there.
The train is arriving soon.
Let's stay close.
I hear it coming.
These seats look comfy.
Better than the bus. I agree. This place looks endless.
The colors are incredible.
It's so peaceful here.
These rocks look huge. Oh,
Nature is amazing.
Let's keep exploring.
The sky looks beautiful.
such warm colors. Perfect moment for a picture.
The trail is steep.
But worth the view.
Let's keep climbing.
Look at the valley. Oh, it's breathtaking.
I'm glad we came. Let's take a short break. Good idea.
I need water.
This forest looks magical.
Oh,
The colors are stunning.
let's walk inside.
The air smells fresh. I love this quiet feeling.
Look at the water.
It's so clear.
Let's rest here.
The lights look beautiful at night.
So many colors everywhere.
This place never sleeps.
Today was such a great day.
Yes, ending it here feels perfect.
Let's head to the car and go home.